Welcome back to McPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this brand new 2023 Ford F-250. This particular F-250 is a Lariat model and it's finished in a brand new color, which is called Azure Grey. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. And we're going to take a quick walk around the outside of this truck here. Then we'll take a look into the interior and take this truck for a drive. This Lariat is equipped with the Ultimate package, which is a very desirable package that you can get on these trucks. And the Lariat Ultimate package includes a lot of different things. And I'll kind of further explain what you get when we get into the driving portion. But we'll take a quick walk around the outside here. Do have a new redesigned front end, which includes the new LED headlights. You also get a set of LED fog lights there as well. Really, really nice looking front end. This one has the Sport package, so you do get that body colored front bumper, as well as the sort of gray accented grille. Of course, got your Super Duty stamping there on the hood. Really, really nice looking front end. And then if you come out to the side, got a new wheel as well. This is the Sport package wheel, 20-inch. It's wrapped in a LT 275/65 Bridgestone dueler tire, which is also a new tire choice for 23 as well. And there's your F-250 Lariat badging there on the side. This one is powered by the high output PowerStroke diesel engine, and I will talk a lot about that when we get into the driving portion. But this is a Super Crew model with the 6 3/4 bed, which is probably the most popular way that customers order these trucks. And also equipped is the FX4 off-road package, another very desirable package. And then come around to the back end, we do get that body colored rear bumper, which includes the parking sensors, as well as the your conventional hitch receiver. Got that 4 and 7 pin connection. Another new change for 23 is the fact that we have a bumper corner step as well as the bed side step. So these are actually new for 2023, and it's included on every single 2023 Super Duty ones that have a bed. So that's a new kind of thing we got there. Really cool looking wheel there. Got a nice running board there. And then the mirror is a dual convex tow mirror, so you have the fisheye lens on the bottom. Got your blind spot indicator right there. Side view camera, of course, fully power operated. And then if we come on back to the tailgate area, pop this open here. It is a soft opening. You can use the key fob to open it as well. Got the tailgate step, and this one does have an aftermarket spray and bed liner, which is definitely a good choice to do there. Got your LED box lighting back here. We also have lots of additional tie-down points, both with the ones that are factory mounted, plus we have the box link cleat system, so you do have a lot of different tie-down points. But without further ado, we'll hop in this F-250 and take it for a drive. So here we are in the 2023 Ford F-250. Again, Lariat model, beautiful, beautiful truck. Lariat Ultimate, in fact, which means this is a very, very well-equipped truck. Has the Sport package, it's got the twin panel sunroof, it's got all kinds of options and features and technology. And for 2023, this is a brand new design. This is the new generation Super Duty, and Ford really did knock it out of the park. I'd say most of the significant changes are with the interior and some of the technology that's now available on these trucks. A lot of different towing technology and safety features, and Ford really went really above and beyond with some of the technology that's available on these trucks. This one here is powered by the high output 6.7 liter PowerStroke diesel, which is a new engine for 2023. Now it does build off of the existing 6.7 liter PowerStroke, but Ford did make some hardware changes and some software changes to give us a power output of 500 horsepower and a whopping 1,200 foot-pounds of torque. Massive, massive power, and it comes along with all new class-leading power figures and towing figures and hauling figures. So we have up to 40,000 pounds of max towing. That is a gooseneck setup on a very, very specific configuration truck. There's also an 8,000 pound max payload as well. Again, both of those figures are designated for a very specific configuration. In fact, Ford actually has packages available for people who want that max towing and max hauling. There is actually a package available that you would need to select in order to actually have that maximum capability. And with this high output diesel, you have basically endless amounts of torque. You can really, really feel it when you put your foot down. You get into boost a little bit, it will really actually chirp the tires quite easily. You got to be quite careful, but it is a very, very quick truck. really gets up and goes quite well. I mean, these things weigh, you know, some of them weigh upwards of 7,000 or 8,000 pounds. This one is a Lariat, quite, you know, very well equipped. It's probably about 6,900, maybe 7,000 pounds. This is an F-250, and of course it is single rear wheel. Yeah, it really does get going quite well. It's mated to the 10-speed automatic transmission, which is actually one of 2 options available. There are 10 speeds as now standard, but the new transmission is the 10R140. You also have the 10R80, which is used for the 6.8 liter gas engine, which is a new engine for 2023. But they still all use 10-speed automatics, which is definitely a great choice. 10 gears, great for towing, great for fuel economy, for city use. Definitely a nice choice there. And but just taking a general look around the interior, I mean, this is where a lot of changes were made. This is kind of building off of the F-150, the 14th generation truck. They do share a lot of their cab kind of layouts and configurations between F-150 and Super Duty, so there's no surprise that Ford kind of made that choice to use a lot of the design aspects from F-150, bring it to Super Duty. It looks really nice in here. Got the 12-inch Sync 4 display. We have a new fully digital display right there. Really nice. We have a lot of different driver assistance features again. We have adaptive cruise control, lane centering. There's all kinds of trailering assists available. With the Lariat Ultimate, we get the 18-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system, which is truly a fantastic sound system. I mean, Ford really does a great job partnering with B&O on their sound systems. Previously, there was the 8-speaker system that they've used since like 2015 or 2016 in F-150, but they've made their way into the Super Duties, and now we have the 18-speaker system. Truly a fantastic sound system. I mean, Ford really does a great job with these. Now for 23, I think Ford really focused a lot on making these trucks easier to drive just every day. They know people use these to drive their kids to school and back, or take them to soccer practice. They're not towing and hauling all the time, so Ford does make these a lot easier to drive. They're very comfortable trucks to drive, even though considering their size. They're also really easy to maneuver. They have 360 camera systems. They have all types of parking assist systems just to make them easier to use every day. Even just the shifter actuation is so much easier to use. Now that we're pulling back into the dealership here, we just did a quick drive there. I just want to kind of show you some of the features, some of the driving aspects of these trucks. If you're interested in the Super Duty, it actually is for sale here at McPhee Ford. We actually have a couple of these trucks available, and there's always coming and going. So if you want a truck like this, if you're interested in a Super Duty, or potentially ordering Super Duty just like this one, of course you can visit our website, or you can visit us at 580 Portland Street in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia. But that'll pretty much do it for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.